here we see a real electrolytic capacitor. It is a polarized capacitor. It means the two leads of it has one terminal as positive and another one is a negative. So let's inspect the body of this electrolytic capacitor. So you see right here in this picture, on its body there are some numbers. Let's try to understand what that number means, but before that, look at this sign right here and right here. So there is this bar on which a negative sign is printed. It means the leads in line with this negative sign is a negative terminal of this capacitor, and the other terminal is the positive terminal of this capacitor. It means when you connect this on your printed circuit board or on any platform to build circuits with other components and the devices, the voltage that will appear across this capacitor should be of this polarity. If the voltage across the capacitor goes in opposite polarity, that may damage or degrade this capacitor. So you have to make sure that you connect this capacitor into the circuit with positive and the negative leads to the appropriate voltage polarity. Now this capacitor has a value of 1000 microfarad as printed on its body. 1000 microfarad is 1 millifarad, in other words. Okay, and it has a capacity to withstand 25 volt across its terminal, positive 25 volt, the maximum voltage it can bear. And with such condition, the maximum charge this capacitor can hold across its two terminals or on its two plates is given by this very famous and basic equation of charge, capacitance and the voltage. So Q is the charge, C is the capacitance and V is the voltage. So the maximum charge it can hold on its two plates is, put the value of capacitance, that is 1000 microfarad, put the value of voltage which is 25 volt, and you will get to calculate that value, and that value will come out to be about 40 microcoulomb. It will be Q will be 40 microcoulomb. So just 1000 microfarad divided by 25 volt. Final point I want to emphasize here, the maximum temperature or a temperature characteristics of this capacitor is that the maximum temperature it can operate at or sustain is positive 105 degree Celsius as printed on its body. So this capacitor is one of the polarized capacitor family from it, and this is widely used for filtering applications in power supply circuits and in some regulator circuits and some other circuits. So hope you find this video informative, engaging. If you did so, do share it with others, and please subscribe to the channel, and wish you a happy learning.